Welcome back to my channel. 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo is a highly anticipated successor to the iconic R35, boasting a bold and aggressive design while maintaining the GT-R's signature DNA. It features a sharper front grille, muscular side profiles, and sleek headlights with a V-motion grille for optimized aerodynamics. The car is powered by a new 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine combined with an electric hybrid system, producing 750 horsepower and delivered to all four wheels via a dual-clutch transmission. This power ensures exceptional performance on both straight roads and tight corners, aided by an advanced suspension system and active differential. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo isn't just a car, it's an adrenaline-charged symphony of power and precision crafted by the maestros of Japan. Its appearance screams dominance, with an aerodynamically optimized body featuring carbon fiber accents, a bold grille, and an aggressive rear wing that seems to defy gravity itself. This machine is sculpted to slice through air like a katana through silk. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for warriors of speed. The dashboard is a futuristic blend of high-resolution displays, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara-wrapped surfaces that echo the car's racing pedigree. The ergonomic layout puts every control at your fingertips, making you feel like the commander of a rocket ship. Priced at $220,000, it's a supercar with a super bite. Ownership costs? Expect higher maintenance and insurance fees, but depreciation is low thanks to its iconic status. On the road, it's a wild yet controlled ride, razor-sharp in corners and ferociously fast on straights. However, this beast isn't without flaws. Its ride can be stiff, and cabin noise might not suit luxury seekers. But for purists craving raw Japanese engineering, the R38 Nismo is unmatched.